Namaste and welcome to New India Junction. I'm Nivedita Tiwari. Today we are speaking with Dr. Parvez Grant. He's the Managing Trustee at the Ruby Hall, Pune. Ruby Hall is one of the leading hospitals in India. Dr. Grant is one of the most experienced specialists in cardiac sciences in India, and he has been conferred a number of honors, including 3 national awards. Dr. Grant, namaste.
Thank you for inviting me in this very interesting topic today.
Budget 2021 has a special focus on vaccination. There's been an allocation of 35,000 crore for the COVID-19 vaccine. How well do you think this government has handled the pandemic, and going forward, how much will this budget help in handling the pandemic further?
First of all, let me tell you that this is one of the best budgets India has ever had. And because the budget has been so good, you can see that everyone is all charged up. You can see how the stock market in the last 4 days is going up, up, up. And all the people I speak to around me have said, what a lovely budget this has been. As far as the corona situation, the COVID situation is concerned, I think the government has done a fantastic job. Let's be very honest, and this time let's praise them for what they've done. You must realize that country after country after country, the number of corona patients has been going up, up, up. And India is one of the few countries where we have more or less conquered this problem, and we have more or less brought corona back to a practically very, very low level in our society. So I think this is a great achievement that the government has done, and I must praise them for the way they went about it. I must praise the Health Minister also and our Prime Minister for all the support that he has given to bring this corona pandemic down to very few numbers now in our country. And I must say the vaccination program has been quite successful so far. I'm told 4 million people have been vaccinated in India so far, and this is one of the fastest vaccination programs in the world.
Yes.
Now, coming to the vaccination program, which I must specify a little bit more, is that we have the vaccines available, and I am told that many of the vaccine manufacturers are holding something in the range of 60,000 doses, 60 million doses, but we have not been able to move these doses to the common public. So my suggestion to the government is that so far you are only giving the vaccination to the government channels. Please open up these to the private sector as well, so we can vaccinate many more people. My suggestion is that they should involve the larger private hospitals. Don't involve the general practitioners, because vaccination should not be done in general practitioners. In case there is a reaction or a problem, then you won't be able to handle it. But all large hospitals, all hospitals which have got emergency facilities, let them start vaccinating and give them the vaccine. Let them buy the vaccine from the manufacturers, so that the common public can be vaccinated much faster. Yesterday I was checking that England has a population of 50 million. They have already vaccinated 10 million people. So if England can do it that fast, we can do it also pretty fast. So I think there are 2 main vaccines that are available at the market. I think both the vaccines are considered to be very, very good. So we should use this potential. As you know, India manufactures the maximum number of vaccines in the world.
Yeah.
So we are the largest vaccine manufacturers in the world, and I must be very happy and proud that a nation like India is producing the greatest number of vaccines in the world. Yeah. In fact, I think we are the vaccine engine of the world today.
There's a focus on strengthening 3 areas: preventive, curative, and well-being in this budget. The investment in the health infrastructure has increased by 137% from the previous year. It's a substantial increase. As a doctor, how do you read this?
See, the government this time in the budget has put in some extra 68,000 crores. That's a large amount of money.
64,000.
64,000 crores, which is a large amount of money which is going into the health sector. There are certain areas which need pulling up. You can see that in the urban areas, the hospitals are excellent. The quality of medicine is world class. I mean, Ruby Hall Clinic, where I'm the managing trustee, I think we've last 2 years we have done something in the range of 30 heart transplants. So the level of medicine is superb in our country, especially in the urban area. In the rural area, the health sector is still not up to the mark. So I'm very happy that the finance minister has given a lot of funds to develop in each district small emergency hospitals which are being done. I'm also happy that he's given some money to improve the basic infrastructure. That means everybody should get water in their house. I'm also found out that he has put some money towards air pollution, which is supposed to come down. Each large city will be getting something in the range of 800 crores to bring down pollution levels in that particular city. These are all very, very important points that the finance minister has looked into, and she's gone into great details of this. Even the Anjuman Bharat scheme, where you get funds for each family gets a certain amount of money for particular surgeries, even that scheme is now doing very, very well. And I'm finding, and I travel a lot, I've also found that in the rural area, a number of hospitals have gone into this scheme, and they are doing cardiac surgery, renal problems, kidney problems, cancer problems, all in the scheme, and the government is funding it. So this is one area where I think the government has done a fantastic job. All said and done, a large amount of money this time has been put into the budget towards the health sector. Yes. And I'm very, very happy that they have gone about it and done it in a very planned and scientific manner. Yeah. So I give all praise this time to the government. They've done a fabulous job, and may you continue doing this superb job that you have started. Thank you very much.
On that note, thank you so much for speaking with us, Dr. Grant. Thank you so much for your time. Keep watching New India Junction. Namaste.